crunchy deep fried onions, crunchy carrot, and here is our crunchy sweet potato, and this is our crunchy aloo francis, French garlic, and here is our crunchy almond. I will start from almond. That kinds of almond you can buy it easily from the supermarket. In our language we call amendo palitado. And also if you don't have that ones, you can cut normal almond like this way. I'm going to use this one also. I'll add tempura flour. If you don't have that kinds of tempura flour, tempura butter mix, you can use normal cake flour, kitchen flour also you can use. But the tempura flour will give more crunchy and crustiness. So I'm going to mix it just a little bit. Also I'm going to add breadcrumbs, panko. It's enough, I think. After that, you can mix normal tap water, cold water, and gonna mix it very well. After mixing it very well, it looks like this way. So this crunchy almonds I can put on the top of the guncans. Also, I love to use with the top of the poke bowl. Sometimes I love to use inside the sushi roll in the futomaki also. Now I'm gonna separate it. Small unit, It's become like this. Now I'm gonna do the deep fried. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to make the crunchy French garlic. Firstly, I'll cut in a fine chop. I'll cut half. I'll take out these ones. Yeah. Now I'm going to cut it. Now I'm gonna use the flour, tempura flour. Gonna mix it. I'm going to add a little bit more flour so it will be more crunchy, and all the water from the French garlic gonna soak by the flour, okay? All the flour will go downside and just my French garlic gonna remain on the top. These ones I'm going to do the deep fried. This French garlic turn into this way. So this deep fried crunchy French garlic we can use on the top of the sushi roll. Especially I love to use this French garlic in the top of the guncans with Philadelphia. And also on the top of the sushi roll, sometimes I love to use with the tataredi tuna on the top of the kimchi ball. Now I'm going to make with carrot as well. Carrot also very easy, but the color of the carrot will be really good and it will be crispy. This side. It's very simple, In this machine you will have this big blade, big size blade. This is normally we use to cut the cucumber. And this ones I'm going to use here. Nice. Half. Firstly, I'll use the pepper to take out the water from this carrot. Normally when I'm doing in my restaurants, I'm making a little bit more thick, but here is a little bit thin. Now the process is same as like the aloo francis, same as like the French garlic. I'm gonna add a little bit flour. Now gonna mix it. I'm going to do the deep fried. Let's go. Okay, now I'll take out. It's become crunchy, as you can see here, like this way. It is still hot. After it's being cool, it will be more crunchy. I love to use on the top of the Philadelphia sushi roll. If you try at your home, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this. Also, this will really good with the avori sushi. This one's also I'm going to do the same as like the carrot, as you can see here. For this sweet potato, I'm not going to use the flour. I can do the deep fried, just this. This sweet potato turn into that kinds of crunchy things. And the final one, fifth crunchy and crispy things is deep fried crunchy onions. You can easily buy in the supermarket. If you want to make it home, the process is same as like the al francis, same as like the French garlic, crunchy deep fried onions, crunchy carrot. And here is our crunchy sweet potato. And this is our crunchy al francis, French garlic. And here is our crunchy almond. This is how we can make 5 different crunchy and crispy things to make fusion sushi at home. You can put on the top of the sushi roll, top of the gunkans with Philadelphia, and sometimes you can use on the top of the avori sushi also, dragon avori sushi, and sometimes it will be a more crunchy and crispiness with the poke ball. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you. ल त्यसैले दिदी अहिलेलाई यति भयो है, फेरि भेटौँला है तपाईँ हामी भेट्दै गरौँ बस्दै गरौँ मस्त रहनुस् स्वस्थ रहनुस् धन्यवाद तपाईहरुलाई।